So I found out that the reason the valves were sticking, some of the valves were sticking, was because we have this caked on whatever, oil residue or something. I think this was a result of us leaving the valves in and putting the head in the oven to dry it out, and that might have resulted in all this stuff caking on. So, and that is enough to make it not go in smoothly. So it turns out that 1200 grit sandpaper is what you want. It cleans it right up. Really can't take any material off. It just simply polishes it until the residue comes off, and then the valve goes in smoothly. So you can see it's coming off already. So I can just do this, and with a little bit of work, that becomes nice and smooth. I did say a little bit of work, didn't I? There are spots in which it's caked on more, caked on stronger, as it were, than the others, so we have to work at it.